Hey, if you clicked on this, maybe you're feeling a little lost right now. And that's okay. It happens to all of us. But today, I want to walk you through 5 real steps that can help you find your way again, not just in theory, but in a way you can actually start today. All right, let's get into it. Step 1. Admit you're lost and write it down. We spend so much energy trying to hide that we're struggling, but the first real move is honesty. Grab a piece of paper or open a blank note on your phone and just write, "Right now, I feel lost because..." Don't overthink it. Don't judge it. Just name it. Because you can't fix a problem you won't face. Step 2. Pick one area of your life to focus on. When we feel lost, everything feels broken. Work, health, relationships, everything. But trying to fix it all at once? It's overwhelming, and it leads to giving up. So instead, choose one area that bothers you the most. Is it your career, your health, your friendships? Pick just one, and give yourself permission to focus only there for now. Step 3. Set a tiny, winnable goal for the next 7 days. Here's the secret. You don't need a 5-year plan right now. You just need one small win to build momentum. Something like, update my resume by Friday. Take a 10-minute walk each day this week. Send a message to one old friend. Small wins build bigger wins. But first, you need to prove to yourself, I can move forward. Step 4. Create a 10-minute daily routine. Feeling lost often comes from feeling out of control. So let's take back a little piece of your day. Pick one simple routine you can do every morning for just 10 minutes. Maybe journaling, maybe a short walk, maybe planning your day ahead. Just 10 minutes. Consistency matters more than perfection. You're showing yourself, I can take care of me. Step 5. Check your progress once a week, not every day. Listen, rebuilding your life isn't a daily scoreboard. It's a weekly rhythm. Every Sunday night or Monday morning, ask yourself, am I a little better than last week? Not perfect, not even good all the time, just a little better. If yes, celebrate it. If not, adjust. No shame, no guilt. Just keep moving. Look, if you feel lost right now, it doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're growing. It means you're in a transition. It means something new is waiting for you if you don't give up. One step at a time, one small win at a time. You've got this. And if you ever forget, just come back and listen again. I'll be right here.